Dent.
The famous Bruce Wayne. Rachel's told me everything about you.
We certainly hope not. So let's put a couple tables together.
I'm not sure that they'll let us.
Oh, they should.
That's why we broke up in the first place.